In this episode of My Plant That's Going In, the Rhaphidophora decursiva has made it to the top spot. As you can see, this plant has many leaves that are growing from it. There's a new leaf coming here, and one of them, where I can't find it right now, has already fenestrated. I'm hoping that more of the leaves will fenestrate, but in the meantime, look at that natural shine. This plant is a fast grower. It's easy to care for. It's easy to propagate. As you can see there, you just cut before the nodes and you can plant that right into soil or put it in water for it to root. And look at how beautiful those leaves are. Now this plant can grow very large as well. And as I see, it's pushing out only in one direction. So maybe I need to turn it. But in the meantime, you won plant that is going in. Rhaphidophora decursiva.